we stay with electricity, but now a completely different area. We have here Valerian Seither from Emio, who are waving the sharing wave with their electronic scooter.
Yes. Hello, my name is Valerian and I'm co-founder of Emio. I'll start this presentation with the way to work my co-founder had to take to get to his former job. It's 7.9 kilometers long, and Google says it takes 16 minutes to get there, but without traffic. And if you know Berlin at all, you know without traffic is barely possible. In fact, each year, every Berliner car driver spends an average of 69 hours in traffic jams. And in addition to that, once he reached his destination, another incredible 100 hours on the search for a parking lot. Of course, you can say, well, take public transportation. And I personally believe that public transportation should be first choice. But there is times and paths where public transportation is just not optimal. Here, for example, the fastest connection is 48 minutes, and if you're running late in the morning, something else came up, this is just not an opportunity for you. So there's the pain, because a lot of money is wasted, a lot of time is wasted, and it's really nerve-wracking to get around in urban traffic at times. Our solution to that is electric scooter sharing. You'll have the advantage that you don't have to look for a parking space anymore. You're faster in traffic, it saves you money, you have no emissions, no CO2, no noise. And you would get to your destination with a smile on your face, since it's a lot of fun to take our scooters. The way it works is that you locate the next possible scooter via our app, and then you can start your rent. After you're done, you just leave our scooter anywhere within our business area. It's a free-floating modus. We have 2 helmets in different sizes in our scooter and one-time use hygienic caps and interchangeable battery packs. That way, our users will only experience the positive aspects of electric mobility without having to struggle with range anxiety or the bad charging infrastructure. We will start this service here in Berlin because it's the biggest car and bike sharing market worldwide, and it has grown rapidly in the last 4 years, over 100% each year. But worldwide as well, this market is expected to have a huge potential, and it will grow over 9 billion euros by the year 2020. Within this market, we see 3 target groups. Number 1 is students and young urban professionals. They are already used to the sharing aspect, so we don't have to change customer behavior. Second, we're going to offer daily packages, which are mainly aimed at tourists. And our third target group is business customers. They are supposed to take our scooters in order to cut their peaks in fleet usage and therefore reduce fleet cost. Right now, we have 4 scooters equipped. You can register and download our app in both stores and just take a ride with our scooters. But of course, 4 scooters is not a lot, it's barely anything. That's why we ordered more scooters. There you can see there's some of the scooters that are being equipped right now. We will start putting them on the streets next month, so in June. So overall, this summer, we're going to have 150 scooters here in Berlin on the streets. But this is a seasonal business. So it's going to get colder, and people do not want to use scooters when it's cold. That's why at the end of October, we're going to gradually pack those scooters up and bring them to Rome. So this is going to be our second market entry. At the end of 2015, we are going to be present in 2 markets. In the years to come, we plan rapid expansion, and that is within Germany and within Europe. I always talking about the we. This is our team. We have various background in the electric mobility, in the mobility sector, and we were really eager to make this thing work. Please come to me, talk to me after this talk to convince yourself about that. And to finish this presentation, I've showed you a concept that will bring electric mobility to the broad mass, and it's economically viable. And we are very proud that it's good for urban environment, that we're going to have a positive impact on urban environment as well. We are not actively looking for funding right now, but we are always interested in getting to know more investors for our future funding rounds to come. Thank you for your attention.
One personal question. When I was a teenager, I had a scooter.
Yes.
I was also riding in the wintertime.
Yes.
I would have been very angry if someone had taken this away and shipping to Rome.
Well, we're going to see what
and rebranding to Emio, maybe.
We're going to see what our customers are doing in winter time. If there's no change in numbers too much, then we can adapt to that. But there's a security aspect with that as well. We don't want our users to get hurt, and that's why it could be a little more dangerous in the winter time.
Okay. What is your calculation about the CapEx and OpEx to set up the service and to run it? Is there a rule of thumb for a city?
Well, for now, we're going to start with 150 scooters. We want to expand to around 250, 300 scooters here in Berlin. But once again, we're going to grow with our customer base and see how it's developing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.